Alright, I'm back here with you one more time. I'm going to go with the instructions on the tube test. I've got my tubes out here to test, ready to go. And first thing, instruction was to plug in the tester, and that's what we will do. Plug it right in there. See the lights come on, needle moves, everything's normal. So next thing we want to do, let's look at the instructions again. I think roll to the chart. Okay, we're not using the chart, we're using the ones I'm flashing up on the screen. These are the updated data that's used with the 600A and newer, provided with them, I should say, not used. These are usable on all the 600 testers and the older testers too. So set your controls on the shown on the chart, and that's what we're going to do. If we look at the chart for this particular tubes that we're checking the 1626. As you'll look on the screen there, you'll see 1626 is listed as A2. Here is A. We're going to put that on 2. And B is 12.6. And we will set that up to 12.6. And that's set there now. 12.6, we have 66 on C. This is C here, the load. Two, 4, 6. That's set there. And the up on the switches is 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And the down is 2. Now, you'll notice the in parentheses over there on the 1626, next to that 7 is in parentheses, and that will produce a short light testing for that right there if I happen to hit that. So we're gonna basically, like I said, just go through it, and I have the tube right here. I think the next thing on the thing, and I wanna go back to the test procedure, is we did the center. Yeah, all remaining switches should be in the center, and they are. On/off switch to on, and it was already on, so we're okay there. Insert the tube into the proper socket. And I do believe that is the socket. And it did make the meter move, so it is heating up. So now we want to, didn't say this, but oh yeah, it does say, let the set the line adjust control so that the meter needle points to 50, and we'll do that. And let it warm up a hair. Alright, the short test is performed as follows. You got to push the levers up that are in the center position, and if the one that's marked short, you know, it should go to let's just try that one because I know what I'm doing here. Let's get this first. Get back up to the correct position. Now let's go for 7 and see what happens. Okay, we do have a short lit up there. You can see that, I think, I hope. Okay, the rest of them we're going to check. There's 1. There's 4. There's 6. There is 7, we already showed you. 8, nothing. There is 9, nothing. And there is 10, nothing. Alright, now we can pretty much be assured that that's going to test one way or the other now. And we need to do that next. So I should read these off as I do them because I'm forgetting to do that. Okay, after we do the short test, we do the emission test. So to do that, you just pull this down. And looky there, that's a good tube. That's nice. So we're happy with that. That tests good. There is a gas test. Let me see how that goes. I forgot now how that went. I'll try to yeah, here we go. Gas test on the 1626 is 5, and basically you move that down to even, move it down one position, and test again. Now this time it should go over here, and it does. It is in the good category. So there you see that is good. That is a good tube. Alright. Bill, are you watching this? This is how you do it with the new procedure now, Bill. This is the key. I can't get that to stay. Oh, my line keeps creeping up. That's the line voltage here. Gonna pull this out because this is a good tube. There we go. And we have the other one here to test the 1629. Now this is an eye tube, and you can test eye tubes, and there's two tests. One with, it should be the eye open, and the other should produce the eye closed. So that's what we're going for. So we're basically going to put this in. It's a two test. Like I said, the first one's eye closed. You put it in the same socket, and we're going to reset the controls here. A is 4. B is 12.6, the same. C is 30. There we go, 30. C, let's see. U is up is 3 and 4. And we'll go with 3 and 4. And down is 2. Alright, we're ready to test it. Put this in the correct socket. Our meter jumped a hair, let it warm up. Now, again, this should not produce the eye opening. It should just be a test. So, basically what we want to do is test for shorts first. And to do that, we're going to take the ones that are in the center position, and we're going to, one at a time, up, up, and now 7 should show a short. And it does. Good. 8, 9, and 10. Alright, now that is how you do that. Now the next thing we're going to do is test the emissions. And to do that, we're going to press the value. Oh, there you go. It lights up the tube. Now I don't think that's correct, but I could be wrong. Let me read this again, just in case. Maybe its eye opens when the yeah, now it says eye open on the bottom. Okay, so well, let's see, is the eye open or is it just lit up? Yeah, it's open, I think. I'm pretty sure that's open. Or no, I guess it's not. That's the only thing. The meter reading doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and reset it up for the other one. It said in there you don't have to change this, so the only thing that changes is up for 4 and 3 is in the middle. So let's try that, see what that does. I know it didn't make any difference to me. I couldn't tell any difference anyway. I'm not real sure on this iTube thing. So we're gonna the fact that the thing lit up, I think we can call that good. So that's the tube test, Bill. I wanted to show you that you can use the newer data as long as you follow the new instructions. And that's really all there is to it. And your tester has just got more valuable to you, I'm sure, because you can use it for the Coldtronics. That will work fine. Just use the new procedure, and I think you've seen that. Instead of the light-faced and bold-faced type, we're not fooling with that anymore. Those are confusing anyway. Basically, you put the tube in there and put each one that's in the center position up, and if there's one in parentheses over by the tube number, then that should show a short. Or if there's even two switches, it should show short. Whatever the case is, it'll be over there in parentheses by the tube number. I didn't test for gas because I think, like I said, I'm not really sure if you can do. I don't think it ever was. No, there wasn't a gas test for that. So anyway, that's going to do the tube test, and I hope you realize that what we're doing here, and I'm above all, I'm not trying to prove you wrong, Bill. I don't want to do that. I'm trying to get you to make more use of your tester and to be able to use it better. And this procedure is Knight's preferred procedure for these testers. They put right in the instructions that this test is to be used, not the old one that's on the roll chart. So that's what you got to do. Like I said, it works fine. It works great. I'm very, very happy with it. And I'm going to test some more tubes later on. I'm going to put the Coldtronics data to test, or to test next time I do this, and I'll show you guys. But for now, you can see this does work with the new data. Just new procedure, new test setup, new data. So yes, it works, and we're happy about that. We're going to turn that off, and we're going to go upload this video, hopefully, and get it on to the interwebs. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day, evening, whatever this is. And thank you so much for watching, putting up with my antics. And we will see ya.